Hello everyone, welcome to my Bulma cosplay costume tutorial. She has a lot of iconic looks throughout the series. This particular outfit is one of my favorites and kind of underrated. Shout out to my boyfriend Tin for doing all the work while I filmed. First we have the belt. I know Bulma has a thicker one, but I compromised on the width to find any belt that was mint green. I had Tin cut off the slack to give the belt a cleaner look. I recommend using a cutting mat to protect your surface and help with straight lines. Also, X-Acto knives are sharp, so please be careful. I tried on the belt to check the size, then Tin cut out a new hole for the buckle to go through. Moving on to the clothes. I wore an oversized white knit turtleneck sweater with long white knit socks for that chunky 80s look and blue flats that match the color of the soon-to-be dress. And speaking of the dress, I actually used an extra large blue t-shirt as the base. I had Tin cut the sleeves off about an inch away from the seam, then we flipped the shirt inside out and used fashion tape to hem each sleeve by folding in the fabric and pressing down firmly on the adhesive. Tin had the genius idea to create the Bulma letters out of paper. We found a similar font on Photoshop, blew up the size, printed it out, then carefully cut the letters in a way that sort of resembles a paper doll, with small in-between pieces that hold everything together. Although this last-minute decision is temporary and a bit fragile, it still worked out and looked great. We also used fashion tape to adhere the letters to the dress, carefully removing the excess with an X-Acto knife. Once positioned on the chest area, Tin carefully and firmly pressed the paper onto the dress. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching. Check out my Bulma makeup and wig styling tutorials if you haven't seen them already. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and if you want even spicier Bulma, subscribe to my OnlyFans. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel Tara for Your Wellness for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me, and until next time, please take care and stay well.